Another day, another quality machine at Mullin Machinery in New Jersey. Today we have a Doall 2013 V. It's a 20-inch vertical bandsaw, 230 volt, 3-phase, all original paint. Machine saw little use in a small one-man shop. Cut looks like all aluminum because it's only aluminum in a chip pan. The paint on it's beautiful, even up on top where people normally drop their scraps or pile work. 2013 V, 230 volt, 3-phase. Serial number 571-04182. Manufactured in October of 2004. Tires are in good shape. It has the safety switches on the doors that shut the machine if you open the door to change the blade. There we go, it's slow speed. Now in high speed. Saw shifts fine. Runs like new. Table's beautiful. Check this saw out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.